Some of the parents already arriving here in court this morning ahead of that court appearance. It's expected to be quite a brief court appearance, as this will be the first time that the 22-year-old driver will be appearing before the Vanderbijlpark Magistrates Court. Of course, we know so far that he has been charged with 12 counts of culpable homicide as well as reckless and negligent driving. Of course, also Gauteng authorities confirming on Wednesday that this particular driver, at the time that this accident had happened, he did not have a valid driver permit to operate a PDP to operate. It had expired in November, according to officials. And so we understand also, Pradhan, that as far as investigations are going, the preliminary investigations have also just suggested that, in fact, this was a result of reckless and negligent driving that this accident occurred. Of course, this as a new video has emerged that shows moments before this crash happened, and this was a dash cam that we understand was from the truck itself that was involved in this particular accident, showing the moments and seconds before that fatal crash happening. And we see, of course, in that video that the driver of the taxi, at the time that this crash had happened, he had been trying to overtake several vehicles, and therefore this accident has really been a hard one for families who say that they believe that this particular incident could have been avoided. Of course, it has been a heart-wrenching week for many of the families, Pradhan, as you can imagine. Many of the families who have lost their children, and some of them, of course, are demanding answers, looking for answers as to what really led to this tragic accident, and the reasons behind the decisions that were taken by this 22-year-old. But in terms of what we know also, according to the case, Pradhan, we know